Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Mileage Logbook is probably one of the most essential tools for any car owner looking to track their vehicle's usage. Whether you're a business owner claiming tax deductions, or simply want to keep tabs on your car's expenses, a well-maintained mileage logbook can be a game-changer. In this video, we'll dive into the best options available, helping you find the perfect logbook to fit your needs. Number 5. Portage Mileage and Expense Notebook, 5 by 8 inches. Tired of complicated expense reports? This notebook makes tracking mileage and expenses a breeze. It's designed to simplify your work. With 60 pages, this logbook offers 33% more than other brands. It's designed to last the whole year, providing great value. Measuring 5 by 8 inches, it's large enough to write comfortably, yet small enough to fit in your glove compartment. This makes it easy to carry around. Each page includes spaces for date, purpose, odometer readings, and mileage. The format is simple and easy to understand, making it user-friendly. Constructed with extra thick paper and a stiff backing, this logbook is built to withstand daily use. It's durable and reliable. Whether you need to track actual expenses or mileage, this journal has you covered. It's versatile and adapts to your needs. What we like. This mileage logbook is designed for simplicity. It allows you to easily track both mileage and expenses, making expense tracking a breeze. If you are looking for a straightforward and durable logbook to manage your business expenses, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Plenty of room. I am averaging about 3 pages per month, so this is plenty big to keep records for 1 year, possibly even 2. Room in the back for receipts and to keep track of your auto expenses and repairs. Sturdy paperback notebook with space for beginning-ending mileage and a space for a short note. It works well for keeping track of my business mileage every day, as long as I remember to write the mileage down. The way the pages are laid out makes sense, and it is a convenient size for the car. There are plenty of pages to fit about a year's driving in. Number 4. Clever Fox Auto Mileage Logbook, A5, Black. This Clever Fox logbook is perfect for tracking your mileage and other car-related expenses. It includes pre-printed pages to record trip details, gas consumption, and maintenance. It's a great tool for both personal and professional use. With 129 pages, this logbook provides space for 1,674 entries. The undated format allows you to customize the usage based on your needs. You can easily manage your records over a long period. Inside, you'll find sections for emergency contacts and vital vehicle information. It also includes space for insurance details and annual summary totals. Everything you need is conveniently located within. The A5 size and durable eco-leather hardcover make it easy to carry and use daily. It features thick paper, a lay-flat binding, and handy extras like a pen loop and bookmark. This design ensures a comfortable user experience. We're confident you'll love this mileage logbook. If you're not satisfied for any reason, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Contact us, and we'll be happy to exchange or refund your purchase. What we like. This logbook offers detailed tracking of mileage, expenses, and even gas consumption. It also provides a long-lasting solution with its numerous entries. If you are a professional driver or someone who needs to meticulously track every aspect of your vehicle's usage, you should consider this. What people say. It slips between the seat and center console nicely, and it's good looking. The book was well thought out, keeps mileage, travel dates and gas records. Works great for keeping track of mileage and gas. Number 3. Skyline Auto Mileage Logbook, A5 Hardcover. This is more than just a mileage logbook. It's a universal driving logbook designed to help you track everything from mileage and expenses to gas consumption and lubrication. This will keep all your car information in one place. Whether for personal or professional use, this A5-sized logbook is perfect. It's small enough to fit in your glove compartment, making it easy to keep a detailed record of your auto trips. This is very convenient. With 129 pages, this logbook allows you to record up to 1,674 car trips. Each entry provides space to log essential details like date, time, locations, odometer readings, and expenses. It's designed to be comprehensive. The logbook features an eco-leather hardcover and thick 120 GSM paper. It also includes an elastic band, pen loop, bookmark, lay-flat binding, and a pocket for receipts. This ensures the book is durable and easy to use. We're confident you'll love this mileage logbook. If you're not satisfied for any reason, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Contact us, and we'll gladly exchange or refund your purchase. What we like. This logbook is more than just a mileage tracker, it's a universal driving log. It includes space for expenses, gas consumption, and more. If you like having a comprehensive record of your vehicle's activities, this is the one for you. What people say. The pages are thick enough that a pen doesn't bleed through to the next page and you can't see the pen indentation on the next page. Nicely made, well-designed logbook. Excellent way to keep track of mileage, MPG, repairs etc. It's got a place for pen or pencil, a bookmark, and a good selection of useful sections, to keep track of work-related or personal trip information. Number 2. JUBTIC A 5-Car Mileage Logbook. This logbook is designed for easy mileage tracking. It's perfect for professional drivers or anyone wanting to monitor their vehicle's use. It helps you keep accurate records. Made with good quality leather, this logbook is built to last. You can rely on it to record every drive for a long time. It's a durable solution for your needs. The logbook has a clear and concise format, making it easy to read and find information. It also includes extra features like emergency contacts and maintenance records to help you manage your vehicle. With 128 pages, there's plenty of space for notes and details. It also includes a pen loop for everyday convenience. This makes it easy to use daily. This logbook makes an excellent gift for any driver. It's a practical tool for recording driving details, whether for personal or professional use. It's a thoughtful and useful present. What we like. This logbook provides detailed recording of all your car's miles. It's made of good quality materials, ensuring long-term use. If you are a professional driver or simply want to track your vehicle's use, it's a perfect choice. What people say. Helps keep everything organized and on track. Durable, compact, and super convenient. Great for business tracking. It has way more features than I need, but it works great. It has exactly what I need and is good quality L. Number 1. Auto Logbook, Mileage, Maintenance, and Expense Tracker. Are you tired of keeping track of your mileage manually? This app makes it easy. It helps you log your trips and calculate your mileage automatically. Never miss a service appointment again. The app allows you to schedule and track all your vehicle maintenance. It will send you reminders when service is due. Keep a record of all your vehicle expenses. This feature helps you to track fuel costs, repairs, and other expenses. It provides insights into your spending habits. Easily generate reports for tax purposes or personal use. The app provides detailed reports on your mileage, maintenance, and expenses. You can export them as needed. The app is designed with a simple and intuitive interface. It's easy to navigate and use, even if you're not tech-savvy. It makes tracking your vehicle information a breeze. What we like. This logbook is a comprehensive tracker for mileage, maintenance, and expenses. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to use for anyone. If you are looking for a straightforward and easy-to-use logbook, it's a great option. What people say. Easy to use and has everything you need to keep track of your mileage. The book is well organized and easy to read. It has a lot of space to write everything down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.